So good day everyone. So for today is we're going to solve the example of torsion. So in the problem given 3.39, we have the spindle AB, we have C is equals to what? 1/2 times 1.75 inches, then you get the 0.875 inches. Then we have our modulus 11.2 times 10 raised to 6 psi. Then our slip modulus is 5.6 times 10 raised to 6 psi. Then we have the length of 12 inches. Then the turtle is 12 psi. Then our polar moment inertia is 0. So this to get the polar moment. So we have pi over square times C4. Then substitute the given value. We have 0.875 raised to 4. Then we get the 0.121 inches worth. Then at the slips CD, we have C1 1.25 inches, and C2 is 1.5 inches. Then our length is 8 inches. Then third one is 7 psi. Then the polar moment is we have J equals pi over square times C2 raised to 4, then minus C1 raised to 4, then substitute the given value to get the 4.2 inches raised to 4. Then at the largest along motor, we have the spindle AB with J turtle time over C. Then substitute the given value 0.121 times 12 over 0.875 to get the 12.63 inches. Then in the slip CD, we have same formula. Then 4.12 to get the 4.12 is here. Then substitute in this formula, we have 4.12 inches 4, then over 1.5 inches times 7 psi to get the 12.21 inches. Then to solve the angle, we are going to convert this angle 0.375 into rad. So to get the 545 times 10 raised to -3 rad. Then going to solve the angle of twist. So angle equals T. The third. So we have this formula. We have angle equals third times length times over polar moment, then shear modulus. Then substitute the given value. We have 6.545 times 10 raised to -3 equals T times 8 over 4.12 inches raised to 4. Then 5.6 times 10 raised to 6 to get the 18.86 inches. Then the angle of rotation of end A, we have this angle. We have angle A equals angle AD is equals to angle AB plus angle CD. Then also this summation of T1 times L1 over G1 and G1. Then we have this T summation of L1 over J1, then G1. Then substitute this given value. We have 12.63 times 10 raised to 3 times 12 over 0.121 times 11.2 times 10 raised to 6 plus 8 over 4.12 times 5.6 times 10 raised to 6 to get the 0.019 rad. So converting to degree, we get the 1.093 degrees. So in the next problem, we have this 3.41. We have third AB, we have 1.2 inches. So converting to pound, so with the 12,000 pound inches. Then at the third AF, we have 6 over 4.5 times 1,200 is equals to 1,600 pound inches. Then the length is 12 inches. Then the C is 1/2 D is equals to 7.7 7 over 16 inches, then our shear modulus is 11.2 times 10 raised to 6 psi, then our polar moment inertia is, we have 5 over 2 C4, then substitute this C, we have 7.16 raised to 4, then we get 57.55 times 10 raised to negative 3 inches raised to 4. Then at the angle EF, we have T times L, we have over JJ, we have then substitute the given value, we have 2,600 times 12 over 57.55 times 10 raised to negative 3, then times 11.2 times 10 raised to 6, then the answer is 29.729 times 10 raised to negative 3 rad. Then at the angle B, we have the rotational E over rotational B times the angle of E. Then substitute the given value, we have 6 over 4.5 times 29.789 times 10 raised to negative 3. Then we get the 39.718 negative 3 rad. Then angle AB, we have T and over G is equals to 1,200 times 4 over 55 times 10 raised to negative 3 times 11.2 times 10 raised to 6, then we get the 26.065 times 10 raised to negative 3 rad. Then to solve the angle A, we have this formula, we have angle B plus angle AB. We have to add them, then we get the 65.783 times 10 raised to negative 3 rad. So that's all. Thank you.